This tutorial guides you through setting up and managing your GridX Connect account to sell auto parts across multiple platforms. You will learn how to create an account, link your eBay seller account, configure business policies, and customize your inventory settings. Click Get Started Free to begin your free trial of GridX Connect. Click Create Account to finalize your new GridX Connect account registration. Click Confirm Email to verify your email address and activate your account. Switch back to www.gridxconnect.io to continue account setup. Click here to proceed with the account configuration. Click Link your eBay seller account to start listing to connect your eBay account. Click here to continue to the eBay sign-in page. Automatically redirected to signin.ebay.com to sign into your eBay seller account. Click Email or username to enter your eBay login credentials. Enter your eBay username to log in. Click Continue to proceed to the password entry step. Click Password to enter your eBay account password. Click Sign In to access your eBay seller account. Click Select Business Policies to review your policy options. Click Configure Policies to customize your shipping, return, and payment settings. Click Select Shipping Policy to select your preferred shipping method. Fill in the shipping policy details to match your business requirements. Click Select Return Policy to choose your return terms. Fill in the return policy information to inform customers of your terms. Click Select Payment Policy to set your payment preferences. Fill in the payment policy details to specify payment terms. Click Save Policies to apply your configured business policies. Click Set your unique SKU prefix for inventory items to customize your product codes. Click to choose a SKU prefix option for your inventory. Click Save Changes to confirm your SKU prefix settings. Click Dashboard to go back to the main overview of your GridX Connect account. You have successfully set up your GridX Connect account, linked your eBay seller account, configured your business policies, and customized your inventory SKU prefixes. You can now manage your account preferences and start selling auto parts across multiple platforms with ease.